Hello and welcome to the setup and customization video for SecureDrive KP. In this video, we will be covering how to enable and disable timeout lock in user mode. Let's get started. Setting the timeout lock helps protect against unauthorized access when the drive is connected to a computer and left unattended. It can be set to automatically lock after a specific amount of time. Here we will show you how to set timeout lock in user mode. For user mode, the default state of the timeout lock feature is off, but once activated can be set to lock the drive for any time between 1 and 99 minutes. With the drive locked, press the key button, enter your user PIN, and press the key button twice. Both LEDs should now be visible, the red one blinking and the green one solid. Now press the key button 3 times, and you will see a blinking green light along with a blinking blue light. Next, press 8 and 5 at the same time on the keypad and press the key button once more. Now you can enter the length of the unattended time for the timeout feature. Note that 2 digits are required. 1 minute is 01 and 99 minutes is 99. Once you've entered the length of time, press the key button. Your drive will now have timeout lock enabled in user mode. To disable the timeout lock, follow the same steps as mentioned previously, only enter 00 for the unattended time. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you still have questions, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-875-3230 or visit our website at www.securedrive.com.